How to remove background in Alight Motion. So here's one way you can remove background in Alight Motion. So just go ahead into whatever project you want and then make use of the plus icon in the bottom right. Here, what you're gonna have to do is press on the vector drawing so that you can specifically make the shape of whatever object you want to remove the background of. So press on the swipe thingy. That's where you can control the icon that's gonna make the line. So whenever you make a point, press on the bottom left corner, which is a plus sign. So what you're gonna have to do is just make up a line, and you're gonna reach the end point, which is the first point you place. So it's basically just making a vector line all over the actual banana. So just go ahead and do that until you finish with the actual banana. So expectedly, the more bananas, no, the more points you have, or the more points you have, the more clear and the more smooth the background remove will be. So just go ahead and do that. Curve it up a little bit until we reach the final point. Then press the shape option. You're gonna have to go into the blending and opacity. So once you're there, scroll down to the mask and press on the mask option. So now you'll have a background removed photo of your banana, but right now it doesn't look that good. But that's one way you can remove backgrounds in Alight Motion. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.